Hi, today we have a lecture on present progressive tense or the present continuous tense. In this tense, we will learn about its three different dimensions that are usually used in different perspectives. So let's see what are these three different dimensions. Firstly, we have uh, middle action of the subject, that is actually. Second, we have a middle action but not actually in a real form, that's in a present time. And third and the most important is our what, that is the immediate future use. How they are going to be, first we have a definition to clear on that. It shows that the middle action of the subject in a present time. Okay, what kind of a middle actions are going to be? Middle action, that is actually. Middle action but not actually. And third, the most we have talked about, that is the immediate future tense. We will discuss on one by one. So see, middle action, that is actually. We are learning present progressive tense. That's the reality. I'm talking English. That's my reality, that we are in a continuity action of the subject, but that is presently working on, and we are satisfied on that point of view. If I talk about the second, middle action but not actually. But not actually is a word where we are confused. So see now, I am doing my exams preparation. Suppose your question would be, what are you doing nowadays, dear? I am doing my exams preparation, but I am here with you people and talking about present progressive tense. How is this possible that I'm doing my exams preparation? So that is the action but not in actual form. So these type of sentences are actually hypothetically, even in imaginary sentences we usually talk in present continuous, means we always tell but it's oftenly lies. Third and the most important is immediate future sense. Now see, there are the future senses. I will go to Karachi, that is the what, actually that is a future sense, but it's not decided when I will go, just I told about that. But here immediate future means it's going to be happen very nearly, meaning the Prime Minister of Pakistan is going to visit UAE when? Next week. So here is the only time period that denotes that the action is going to be happen. And if I talk about in second sentence example about that, I'm going to start my lecture. So it means that I am going to start. It means I'm about to start. Like these senses are going to be our immediate future senses. So there are the three different dimensions. Number one, we are learning present progressive tense, that is actually reality. This is beyond the reality. Third and the last is we have a immediate future senses. In the Dawn newspapers and most of the newspapers, this type of formations, even sentence structures are found, and they are very typical and difficult to understand them. One can understand from this type of adverbial time phrases where these are things. Next week, tomorrow, such type of words are present, but we have to take the meaning in a future senses. The Prime Minister of Pakistan is going to, it means he actually intended to do that one. He planned to do that one action. So this is all about the three dimensions of present continuous tense. And now we have the syntax of that tense, how this tense is going to be used in a positive and negative sentences, even interrogatives and interrogative negative senses. Let's see now. We have a first syntax, that is our affirmatives. Subject plus helping verb and main verb ing form. Ing form we simply say present participle. Present participles are what? Play from playing, go from going, and read from reading, write from writing. Ing form the words take these type of formats. Subject, verb, main verb and objects. If I talk about the sentence, I am writing a letter, it means presently I am working on. This is my affirmative sentence. If I talk about the negative sentences, there is a subject structure, helping verb not is present, then we have a main verb, and after that we have an object. And second, what? He is not playing cricket right now. And third and the last, third actually we have a helping verb, subject, main verbs, and then we have a object plus question mark. Are you coming with us? It's a kind of a question interrogative sentence, and we have a last fourth and the last sentence of this tense is that helping verb, subject, not, and main verb ing form, and plus object. Are they not going to play with us? So this type of a syntax we have in a present continuous tense. Four type of syntax we have discussed, and the three different dimensions of this tense we have done so far.